Welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Friends horse and baby Foal trailer. So the color looks very nice. I love the color, the light green color. So what are we waiting for? Let's open and see what's inside. So actually I was kind of surprised because we only have 2 bags of Lego inside. So anyway, we have a horse and 2 guidebooks and also a sticker and 2 bags of Lego like I told you. Okay, so this one is going to be Autumn and I like her t-shirt. It's very nice and neat. Okay, so she's also wearing like a riding helmet. And this is Ara, right? Ara? Yeah, I think so. Alias dog. Okay, so we made Autumn and next we're going to make Mathilde. And I love her vest. It looks so amazing. And you know what? Lego actually gave me 2 heads. Lego is making a lot of mistakes this year. Like when I was building the garden restaurant, so they gave me 2 stickers, remember? But I guess this year is my lucky year. I think, it's very nice to have 2 things. And there's also a very cute frog, and he or her's name is Hopper. And there's a little pony and also a horse over here. So the pony's name is Dawn and the horse's name is Henry. So I guess Henry is Dawn's dad. So there's also like a saddle pad for Henry with a little flower like this. And there is also a saddle over here. So we have a lot of items. Okay, so now let's bring him back to normal like this. There you go. So we also have 2 horses over here and 2 dolls and 2 pets. And I just love the frog. Like before, Lego Friends frogs, they didn't look cute at all, but I like the way that they made the frogs into kind of like pets this year. So it's very nice. Okay, so this is a trailer. So there's going to be a car that's pulling the trailer, of course. So first we're making the car. The car looks very nice. It's green color, just like the trailer. It's very nice. And we can like disconnect like them if we want to. So we can just use it as a normal car if we want to. I think this is just nice. And I love that Mathilde is included. And they said, I love Mathilde. She's one of my favorite characters. Even though she's not one of the main characters, she's very nice. So there's a steering wheel over there, and this is some like music. So they're listening to, sort of like music in the car. It's very nice if you connect the speaker because it sounds much better if you connect the speaker. It's much better than listening from like a phone. Yeah, so oh my gosh, this place is super cozy. So the outside part, like the front part is for Mathilde and Autumn because those places are, for the human dolls. And at the back part, we also have some more seats. Those places are for Hopper and Ara. So it looks very nice. And look at the sticker. It looks so amazing. I love it. Totally awesome. Okay, so as you can see, we have some brown parts. You see, those are for the pets. I think it's really cute, doesn't it? Yeah, I just love it. I think it's kind of funny that there's going to be a frog sitting inside a car. That sounds kind of funny, I know, but this is really cute. I mean, Hopper looks so cute. I love the way that they made the frogs into cute pets. It looks so cute. So now this car is starting to look like a car now because before it didn't really look like a car. So we're making the front part of the car. So yeah, or like this. Oh my god, it looks nice. But this car doesn't have like, car numbers. I'm not so sure if that's possible. But this is Lego and Lego, everything's possible. So we have some wheels and it's just so hard, putting wheels, your hands hurt so much. It's very hard. But somehow I managed to put them all in, but my hand hurts a lot. Like plugging the wheel to the car, it feels very nice, but plugging the wheel together is really hard. So anyway, we finished the car and we have a little picnic spot in this set and it looks very cute. So there's a little pond, of course. That's where Hopper is gonna like stand. And we're also making like a picnic spot. Like kind of like with a blanket, not like a blanket, but like a picnic blanket. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, like we put some like these things, we cannot sit on the ground, so we put some these like sheets so that we can sit on sit down on top of it, right? So yeah, so this is the picnic spot. It looks very nice and cozy. I love it. We have some wood things over here. Looks nice, doesn't it? I think it looks very cool. And there's like this sign that says it's the picnic spot over here. There you go, looks perfect. And of course we have some sandwiches. You must have sandwiches in a picnic. So I think there are some vegetables and like eggs inside. So I guess it's an egg sandwich. So there's Hopper sitting on top of the pond. So we also made the picnic spot. So the last thing that we have to make is the trailer. So the trailer is kind of small, but it's actually big enough for Henry and Dawn. So they actually fit in quite nicely. Yeah, it looks quite nice. I love it. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, the beige part, that is where Henry and Dawn are gonna, like stand. I think it's kind of scary, inside like a trailer, but I guess that is how horses move to, like far places, how they get transported into other places. I guess so. I've never seen a horse trailer actually. But I do want to kind of like try horseback riding, but I think it's going to be a bit scary because, horses are very tall and I think it's going to be very hard to climb on top of the horses. So anyway, we also have a window so that the horses will be able to see outside, or maybe is it so that the people would see they're okay inside. I don't know, but there's a window over here to check on them. And I love the flowers outside the window. It looks cool. And we also have a sticker over here. Looks nice. I just love the light green color. I think they chose the color very well. It's like very nice, Kind of feels like spring. I hope spring would come soon. Like I want spring to come, but I don't want summer to come because I just hate summer. It's so hot. But actually summer is okay if you just stay indoors and just like air condition all the time and never go out. But people like sometimes wants to go out and it's actually quite boring if you just stay indoors. So I guess that's why I don't like summer. Like I don't like it. It's so hot. I just don't like it. So anyway, there's like this treasure chest on top of it. So the treasure chest is full of food, like food for the pets, food for the horse, and Ara. So there was also a dog bone. So the dog bone is probably for Ara. Okay, so now we finished building this set. I think it just looks so nice. The colors look so great. So, the car's wheels are pink color, but the trailer's wheels are purple color. I think it's nice that they made it different. So I just love it. I think it looks so pretty, don't you think? It's very nice and cozy. Okay, so now we finished building this set. And like we always do, let's start playing with it. Okay, so today Henry and Dawn are being transported to another horse stable. Hi! Hi Mathilde. Hi Autumn. Hi Cindy. Is Henry and Dawn are in like good condition today? They have to go a long way. Yeah, right, a long way. Yeah, I think they're in a good condition. It's so nice meeting you again. Yeah, good to see you, Autumn. Okay, Henry. Oh, sorry, Autumn. Okay, Henry and Dawn, you guys can climb inside now. You have to go a long way. Yeah, very long way. Oh, I'm gonna miss you guys so much. They're gonna be okay, Cindy. Don't you worry. See you next time. Bye, Autumn. Bye, Cindy. Okay, so now let's hit the road. Yeah, let's go. Oh my god, my back hurts so much and I'm so hungry. We need a break. Yeah. Oh my god, my back. Are you okay? Yeah, I think so. I think it'll be okay if we rest over here. Henry, Dawn, time to come out. We still have a long way to go, but we're just taking a little break over here. And you guys should stretch your bodies a little bit too. And your hairs are a mess. I need to brush you, Henry. Yeah, you definitely need some brushing. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Yeah, so hungry. What are we gonna eat? Sandwiches, of course. What have you prepared? Egg sandwiches. Okay, not bad egg sandwiches. Okay, so we need to feed them first before we feed ourselves. Seriously? Yeah. Okay. So what did you bring, for the animals? I brought carrots for the horses and a dog bone for Ara. Well done. Okay, so 2 sandwiches. We're gonna put it over here. Can I eat it now, please? Wait, Mathilde. okay, but I really need to eat some sandwiches. Just wait a sec. Oh wow, I've never seen a yellow carrot before. Interesting. You have to feed Henry. Okay, okay. I think they were also really hungry. Yeah, clearly they're eating really fast. Oh, Don is just so cute. Yeah, right. I can't wait to see Don when he's all grown up. Yeah, that's gonna be really fun, right? Yeah. I hope they really like their new horse stable. Yeah, they're gonna love it. I hope so. Yeah. Okay, so now you guys go back inside the trailer. Are you okay, Autumn? Yeah, I'm fine. Wait. Okay, Henry and Dawn, you guys have to go inside now, and we will enjoy our sandwiches. Yeah. I want to make you guys run around and stretch your bodies a little bit, but this is the forest, and if we lose you guys, that's a total disaster. Yeah, a total disaster. It looks delicious. Yeah. Did you make it yourself, Autumn? No, my mom made it for me. Oh, you mean Mia? Yeah. Oh, she's a really nice cook. Yeah, she is. It's really nice. Nice and soft. I love the scrambled eggs. Yeah, it's good. It's good. But you know what? Just eating one sandwich is not really helping. I mean, I think I need to eat like hundreds and hundreds. Just eat one and then drive a little bit more and then maybe we'll eat something else over there. Yeah. Oh my god, that frog is so cute. Can I take him home? Take home a frog? That's impossible. I have a water tank at home, and I think my mom won't be so mad. Your mom won't be so mad if you bring a frog home? Yeah, she's gonna be fine. Are you sure about that, Mathilde? Yeah, totally sure. Just eat up your sandwich and let's go. Okay. But I think this is a bad idea. It's gonna be okay. Relax, Autumn. Relax. I know about animals. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. So I know it's gonna be kind of weird bringing a frog home, but this is just playing, so don't take it too seriously. Okay, so now they're on their way to the new horse stable. Dad, are we there yet? I think we still have a long way to go. I don't like it in here. It's so shaky. It's gonna be okay, son. When are we gonna arrive to this new place? But I don't want to go to another place, Dad. I like my old home better. You don't know how your new home is gonna be like, but still, I don't like this thing. It's so shaky. So now they arrived at their next, like resting spot. I'm so exhausted. You drive next time. Do you hear me, Autumn? Okay. Okay, so now come out, you guys. This is not the forest, so you guys can run around a little bit and stretch your bodies. Yeah. I'm gonna do some horseback riding. Is that okay with you, Henry? I hope so. Okay, so now let's first put this saddle pad, and after that we also have to put the saddle over here. There you go. Well done, Henry. Now let's do some running. Let's go. You're not old enough for horseback riding, Dawn. Do you want some more treats, such as, carrots? Do you want the yellow carrot that I gave you earlier? Okay, so now I'll give you some yellow carrots. Yum. I know you didn't really like the trailer. I mean, it's very shaky, but I'm sure that you're gonna love your new house. Okay, Dawn? That feels good, doesn't it, Henry? Yeah, it does. This fresh air. Cold, but I like it. Yeah. Oh, can you come down a little bit, Mathilde, so that Henry will enjoy his time with Dawn? Oh yeah, sorry. I'll take this off. Oh my god, I'm just so exhausted. Yeah, so exhausted. Who thought this could be so hard? I knew it would be hard, but not as hard as this. I mean, you didn't even drive, Autumn. I'm the one who's more exhausted. Okay. But we still have more work to do. We need to clean the trailer. Oh my god, there's so many horse poop in here. Do we have anything to, thing that we could use to clean this up? We don't have a manure fork, but we do have a fork. Seriously, we're gonna clean this mess with fork? What are you doing, Mathilde? You also need to help out. Okay. How could they poop so much in this short time? I mean, it wasn't that short time, of course, but still it was just only a few hours. Oh my god, it's so disgusting in here. I'm definitely going to get a shower when I get back home. Yeah, of course, you should. So now what are we gonna do with all these, oh my god, with all this poop? We need to wrap them up. You wrap them up, Autumn. Okay, like this. Nice and simple. I'll go and throw this away. Yeah, well done. Okay, so now it's time for you horses to get back inside. Henry, Dawn, get back inside now. And then after that, when we stop to your new place, that's gonna be your new home. Yeah, wait. Henry, I think your tail is too long. It won't fit. I think Henry should be on the right side, yeah. There you go. Perfect. Now you drive, Autumn. Okay, I said okay, and now you're asking me that a million times. I only asked you about 3 times. Yeah, still that's also a lot. I can't wait to play with Hopper at home. Are you sure that your mom isn't gonna be mad? Yeah, she's gonna be fine, totally fine. Plus, I already have a frog at home. Yeah, but that frog and this, like wild frog is totally different. No, it's not. It's totally the same. Okay, so this is the end of the playing, and this is also the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.